Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a really quick share. I am doing a VR for Carmen's Treasures. She is celebrating her birthday and having a birthday challenge. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go find out the information. It does close at the end of this month, May 31st, so you do have a little bit of time. It is only for people in the United States, and you must be a subscriber to her channel. She is having a pocket letter. That's what she requested for her birthday challenge, is a pocket letter. She's wanting to fill up her binder. And so, this is my pocket that I made that I'm putting my pocket letter in. And I use Maggie Holmes' Hooray collection for the most part. And filled in with willow, and I think that's the only other collection I might have used is willow. Maybe bloom. But in any case, this is the envelope that I am putting it in. And then this is my pocket letter. Yeah, so this majority of it is Hooray, which is a celebration collection. I added this tassel, this key charm, and this glass bauble with glitter in it. I added this Maggie Home bobby pin, and then this happy birthday is from the die cuts, the collection. And I'll just show you close up of the pockets. And then I also added goodies in the back. And for my pocket letters, I like to make pockets for the goodies. And this time I used like book pages that I made. Policy envelopes maybe for. And I've included some goodies in all of these pockets. So I'll let her open them and be surprised. I did add a letter in this pocket and my contact information. But yeah, so this is my share for Carmen's Treasures birthday challenge. And like I said, the link will be in, or her link to her YouTube channel will be in my description box below. And I hope you guys are having a crafty week. And until the next video, shakas!